your Nempnafoni be Sebio, Omumpo Many, Benirimo, and your contract, they've all benefited.
Because these people, do you remember Victoria Hammer? You remember that woman? I say, oh no, I do here $1 million a pay so that he can control people and power.
Yeah.
So these rich people, no, almost politics, you know, they think that because of money, they can control people. And that's what he's trying to do. And so when he's even disrespecting the people, he's lying, he's not seeing it. And everybody knows that he's lying. So he's disgracing himself publicly, but he doesn't know. And I'll come MPP. He says, no, this is first in the I'll go to a radio station, or go to a TV station. People will go to social media, X, they will reply you over there. You go to TikTok, they will reply you over there. They will go to Facebook, they will reply you over there. You go to YouTube, they will get you over there. And yet, it's now a newspaper, a radio station, traditional radio station. No BRT, no. Obi had the whole month no on show TV and now on TV radio that on social media, reading and listening. And the young papa ugufa no gufu ni oye no enyefe. Opanyi di masa edu baby a say hu say manyini nti me tena chiri kakra na ne yo ne de omama kai ayimi fie wura bi o say emere ye den emere ni hoda say ne mere no ekọ etwem nti say first ni bio nti ntiemu otiemu nyina June na den enko baby a it doesn't go anywhere. He is forcing himself, it won't go anywhere. Because they will come and reply him here but party executive no omo form na sifa Sida. Oh, Dambo Cheta, Omu Yincrofodi, Nanaku Time, party chairman, be never be a Umushan Kuyo, Yamomo Tranchen, and Sashi say Mana Tranchen. Because at least he is doing too much. He is doing too much. You know,
Midase high pot for that brilliant one, and then money. Come in 4 minutes.
5 minutes or 4 minutes. Midase, Minya, Yaman Shirao. First of all, Name advocate for a debut for NPP delegate. My catch to what I say. The current national executive, nobody is fit for purpose. Obianko, Obia, Justin Kodia, why mo Obianko. They are not fit for purpose. No. This is not the crop of national executive or NPP here. Because look, any national executive panel and I has a party a whole no crown and Kasama Kennedy upon Obeka no and by now no I was a party no issue statement inviting the CID or telling the CID to call him and investigate the issue. That's what the party should do. Or more issue statement. Now, say, a figure, a leading member of the party about the allegation, be say, Obimi aji contract aji akoton 10%. So they are inviting the Yoko, the police, to investigate the matter. And no one neutralize the issue, no. But now, no, as a party, no, you keep quiet. While inviting the police, and you are expecting that the police to call him and investigate. Can we party no issue statement, no? And my mom for train the people, the Ghanaian people, that yes, you don't tolerate corruption and such nonsense. But as normal, ka abronye na obeka asema ankaba now just on kodia wama release statement. I told the Nanabia upper position, they are not fit for purpose. Or they are not for Baumia. That is the fact. Why are we not seeing this? Why are we not seeing this? That is the fact. They don't like the man Baumia or Mumpe. Kennedy and Japan. This is the party you wanted to lead. What happened? And this was that information, no, then you are keeping it to yourself. Then you will be the worst leader ever. So I think that the party, you know, from now, Kopimo China up to Monday, or more issue statements. I invited CID, ni police for Yoko in Nemana said, or more a leading member because NBC. They are encouraging the police to investigate the issue. It is as simple as that. Because my react here, it gives some certain credibility be to the person now or no or need credibility. Because who shouldn't someone as someone can almost say 10 sins of Canada Japan. Who assemble na who can trouble me? Assemble na who can one can trouble me because Bomia no way dia onye nipa. You think that he owns the party? Nana B money just they are encouraging this man to fool around. They are encouraging because Nana B just all of them amunye bomia, amun support bomia, even Napo kura no. He is not Napo ni fifi boafo nyina. Omunyina yebeka se munafiki. Omunyina mu yakunkonza for. They just hate the man. They don't want the man to be the leader. That is it. But Oka said they don't listen. Intimate party delegate for nyina all executive biana wa join all executive are pefo for nyina mumpamo mu nyina nko, including John Bodu omu nyina, all of them should go. Bring new people, new ideas, people that have the party interest, not this sankwas.
Abotre.
Not this sankwas.
Abotre.
Debbie, Assembly one see we've entertained this national executive for far too long. This man has been fooling since 2023. The so-called national executive, nothing, woman, yes, till the damage has been caused. And yet, these fools keep on watching the fool to keep on fooling.
Abotre. Yo.
I mean, what is this?
That's the money. That's the money, Abotre, and sorry for listeners, viewers. Sorry for some of the words. I mean, I understand the frustration, but I think some of the words are towards our executives. Abna, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Yeah,
baby, I fine. Me ta watch you pa.
Oh, thanks for
And then
joining.
my first time I'm about platform.
Thanks for joining.
But yeah, media me share na media meet here. But I think it's there's so much observations. Media me kono. We have something NPP for. We don't have loyalty, especially with our executives. Yeah, the omo ya de no. Then me try ani etu no. Media may started from Sir John. Small mistake be okoye no pokra for the defense of this party during the court assembly. All of a sudden, flimsy excuse no mu de tunu na yekofa bosum kwabne Japan. Look at what happened. They nearly cost us the elections. So what must say?
Yeah.
Yakofa Jombo do at once. Now instead see be corrected, and if not, if possible, kwa be for obi aka no to do this ni akoyi. All of a sudden, Yakofa bibi kodua we me hu ne da maintain nkada no makofa no. He has never since asemu ba ye ya anka omuma MPP lose we kesanka by inkesinki two omukra. We shouldn't have entertained them. Kesanka omudu omu bibia toto ho. Na nkomoko. And I look at this as usual. Obia diniti at ashashase because the empo be or forthcoming, forthright or payway. The bia near pabro for some maybe, and no ne. But anyway, I think it's maybe they will sit up and then do more than that. And in terms of Kennedy Japan, this is what we have done. We've created an albatross around our neck. And who our mobile ebeye muamu jejereje de ebeka bia no knowing new people no ye nisika intino ye form na we haven't made up our mind to come up ye de ebeye ye hu Jehovah Witness and go home to do this and ye parochial interest no ye de ebeka ye de wo form mumu wini a ye nim say enye but is that the ideology na ebeba because we believe in MPP's ideology no ye de ebeye ye part. Your observation now media ban Kennedy Japan has become a megalomaniac. Sometimes no penny for no. I don't know muni psychologist wo mumua. Sometimes no be no yare. So what must say? Hitler had that who's a psychology no a megalomaniac persona. So what must say? It is sometimes they have that. It's a psychologist and mo try more analyze more penny for. And na mo try to help them. They make an ultimacy. Says some unifi sa position na mo clamping and no monye. So at a mo stamp food because a boo no yes adian is because oyare. Dementia will there's so many things. It is all about that. The outburst in here could be that. Past leaders, not from but from international way, war American. It is sometimes a psychological way. Me who now, but it is that. If you look at what Hitler was going through now, it was that. Fine. Number two is also na matnasia me who and some friends Hon Kennedy Japan or more NPP that. Sorry, or more NPP that in such a way say. So be also wosika. Now o use so millions of dollars at the cocoa crown and cocoa ba. And then we bana. Me who industry or boa. Me patro what the metron me who's a communicated people aka to educate the minds of Ghanaians. So also wo business says nasa won't me moi create ebia livestock and creative way fishing. Say now won't find to employ so many people. Now we use millions of dollars just to go and do that now. And then pot fish, poultry, they're not helping the economy. Me who said more communicators ni biaka. But anyway, na de menya bi. Mun say no so mo fansha mo yimo. Na mo who say bia na ebia said ye no ebi oyare. Ebi so soa na eya hoye. And ye empire de ne say no. So what must say? But leadership no more move voting no, mo making sure the next time no. So munya potential person na mo hold on to the person. So changes our loyalty na yen no. And no so can be. So what must say? Now yen conscientizing your mind in a different way. Because your outpost can too much and then we copy. We copying our opponents. We don't do that. There is no way say NPP ni bit me who or bit say general mosquito no abaye general secretary no abaye chairman. Yeah, see what NPP that, but we don't know our potentials. We don't know our leaders. We don't know yen nti na no ana se kakakra no to fridge ma wa no akwakobotia man ene say what am I say? Nti no media Kennedy ne dia mean blasting e bebre. Maybe he has a psychological problem. Maybe so NDC for air tata, so he's only protecting himself. So what am I say? Mistakes na no. Na be leaders ekura ni ebetime holding on to power and any weakness e what MPP mo. You should analyze that. Holding on to power because munim say party ebetime aboa krono but umudu halfway na mabre. Nessa too much democracy maybe if we have the chance and yet media drink a crabba mobe far fine but Kennedy no munye more to it. You should analyze things more. Psychologists can be able to understand him and be able to brofonomente but mubet diagnose him and then know that there's some something happening to him. Intinabia so slowly no mobile me in China moyi. Say or person say na meaning say MPP is a formidable party. Nobody can destroy MPP. Say what I say. But it's only the leadership in the bit me na destroying. Intino Montry, the new crop are the crop that we have, especially the general secretary one the boa obia and no they see because general secretaries are no. It is almost like the category like Cabinet Japan or a week and more so news so a week in Kran and can they communicate test no cry vociferous crank and hadri or a week into no see need the whole crop near try near take it the best and yes you take it the best in opposition here what the best that go for the power and yet and we are not doing that. And no me pato miss me that's it.
Thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you.
Look, finally, Mefa mini Kebi Bekasa we call it a night. But you see, as I was saying earlier on, I say, Honorable Ken Japan or a businessman, number one. And anytime on who say, as a net two, ni radio stations, ni TV stations, or bien share. Now I start to say, or Kenya ne ho. Officer starting argument be and I say kind of say or person will draw attention towards in the radio stations. So now no netwa obi an share no omo ye political show obi a share adentia one person omo nim say bia at some point in time Honorable Ken be free program no more at to papa so. And it is part of idea here, but we did not see it early because prior to 2020, Sir Juma on near so for a D or mine with ma echo Daniel Sema MPP in the end, no, not to a two or something like that. He was thinking about the business, but we were thinking, say now yeah, the boy MPP in the end, that thing fought against MPP. Honorable Ken, and started sa hatred also as of for bebre and Nema MPP ni ba Honorable Ken nti. Right? Now today, and then here you want to throw MPP under the bus because who name say you are going to lead the base. The base free MPP mu ene ko join the base say obenya 2% election ma. Say obenya 2% election ma. Honorable Ken needs MPP more than MPP needs him. Yeah, on him. Honorable Ken on him pass he needs MPP more. No matter a contract NDC be ma Honorable Ken no. NDC more contract more than the way MPP ama contract. The last time get the list no buy no. Share contract over 50 contract totaling over 800 million Ghana cedis. And contract under MPP. Any other view. They be a person blackmailing party, no. They be a person blackmailing nipa. She said they see a bre document be a one 2027. I check. Fabre says here. Wo okuje to a black wa. Martin Pebu Domelevu. One view. Sa 5-member committee. Our former say oral no. Omukro mako shekra omunya document bia. Omu nya case bia which we di court na wo na ke document ben na wa okuje to ohun ye document ben na wa Martin Pebu ohun ye document ben na Kenya Japan wa Domelovo ohun ye the owo iyoko se say no ne di cry escape me document ben na wa onu ohun ye ora for cry mu di document about over 1,000 pages cry omu nya case bia court na wo Kenya Japan na wo document wo MPP ni bi one who release ebe say MPP give us a break KB so bring me 4 minutes
Boss.
Monacha, thank you.
Kennedy, the Anyama way, dear. Is here the abroso. First, Name Penazem, Baba is here the maintenance and Graya Hoya. Ya, who say, we are no. I know Casaya, na the Emian say, I know whisker. Now, when you didn't know why not? Hello. Why not? 1 year you only. Some now okay can I meant as and say or no do or no way can say 1 year politics are obedient.
And I mean my appointment.
Because some now okay can
My appointment. Politics has not stopped me, but I'm surviving, I'm thriving.
And I 1990 something on my MPP. That time Quest Council the MPP Kwana Bank of Ghana community says can and drunk was what dying. East Legon, East the matter East Legon almost by 20 years. Can they go point in at 100 and I think we East Legon and West Wine and trunk Nukum Makako Trawa Juma 5 years. Okay, Nukum call I'm Mobokeke. No passive will be a Omgu him Gromoda Sugo, and so on. Washiwi, Kunukum, no passive will be going nothing. And trunk when ya and go for no body netting and nurse and trunk now that time 96 now $300 million. That's some grand not Bank of Ghana that time 96 not Bank of Ghana more $300 million or there's a way we need there's a party in Ningu. Debbie Abrabone and Monesa. When we need to party ningu, and when young Quasia 7 Quasia will be no mudinachi, and Jacko the normal like what you want here, Omun free party. That's all. Minimally contest General Secretary near Kufa do Motua like Obi or party in Biawayan, Obia adding, and almost so Most so nipa we so no na nye ska na ko di boto film na nka den wi ase bi. Oh, what is serious? It's serious. Omo yin free party ni.
Yo.
Omo yin free party ni na peace ebeba party ni. Kennedy o free party ni ma party na enye den. Wo e mo bi ndi bia nzu ndi da. Kennedy e den ko ebi an so berete. Boss enya kra o. Enya kra. Ana obi akoye we say fa evidence bra. Ana de bia mpona make out of be ka say investigate or the beba ebi anyambo cha na asem Monday mbo 2027 no ho esre unzo kasakura unzo ahoya ahyanema ahoya ahyanema ahoya ahyan entimo munya no secretary eni mpanifo no mo problem sa o the executive union so obi akọ also obi every party mo so obi akọ no mo fa nipa fo from no betumi aye party na Kennedy there David. By Nyami or without Kennedy NPP betumi win power.
Yeah.
And say mu kwa no keka. Nti boss mu mi ntwitwa na asem so. Na enye adwumaden party ni be.
It has thanks for coming through.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Or any
Yo,
comment?
yes, sir. Me speak as a.
Yeah.
Yo, okay. Me so me da wase. Me kasafi aya was central.
Okay.
The American kakra say, you see, Kennedy or a nice gentleman, nanka me pena sempa, but ye hwe niam bia o ye na me we nyina o ye nyina e ade miensa pe. Me hu ni say NDC for na hwe na chi. At this time no NDC for na push ni say o meye bibi because one Kennedy na kasa wa ye niam bebre a onim say one take time a NDC for ebe prosecuting no. Until he's trying to do something just to, let Mahama and the NDC to know, say, in a way, or favor them. You understand?
Yeah.
Until Niamana or a bitterness. Why yakwa akensi? Why jiatum say everything is free and fair? Formally, before I came back election, now he's talking, say, I didn't free and fair, obey say. Nyame ya adom yakọ aye free and fair nti de bia me bisa me ho say nti Kennedy ne wini ya anka niema wo ye obeye. The man is evil. Me hu ni say wo problem. And I said the ye bra ba ko ne kan no empenifo na di party na nim na we have to sack them all because as it stands now general secretary oti ho ye den ono wa ye no ho oba bi me hu the way a obi e kra. What I say, party no is about time I say my discipline ebem. Kennedy na kwaye na ho say busum bi o. So akwaye say den yo. Wa encocated niam biegu. Even in crop for crown war grounds crampo no. The way a Kennedy behave no sa na bebre behave. As it stands now, hwe ejako den na onya wa NPP mu. Anka baby anka NPP raise ejako akwakodu. Anka den ye to abawie na ba omi awi ni. Na de no wa Kennedy abaji atum say ye free and fair. Na mo se makoti said the base o said debe the movement o said the base. Does it even make sense? Man we are no shas here. This man is evil. We should know. We should niti duana cry out say niti duana evil. Just say man we it's about time I say party no ye gina ye na so ye sanction man we ye free party na de obey ye bia wonye because this time around no me hu say NPP we need unity. See yetimi emma unity no ba NPP mu a wo ho enye de obi beye because see an NPP NDC for be say Ghana maye masa ye business aye yes see akra is very hard first NPP time meti hona business e basa na we frame sometimes crampo adwuma me bu mi so ana me nye obi mpo ma ne support me but na meti me that the whole week me nye adwuma ba kompo.
Wow.
The whole week. And none of pa and obidi ejuma ba ko bre me eja me nya bibi kitu bi e bo me ho so the whole week ejuma ba ko mpo mai just this morning no bi metimi dasa wo ho ejuma no enye se ni ho e wo ho ankrofo betimi di aba but omo de ba sika be no mo de betua what you say ankrofo di omo ejuma bre me egu ha over 3,000 and something.
Wow.
Omo ntimi nya sika metua ofre omom se ochina ofre ose ochina adwuma ne gu ho But anka NPP time anka adwuma we anka just a day no me ya jimisika. So enti no me nuanom mesra MPP for mama yem preach about unity. Unity no na the most important thing. Say yem preach about unity. Na ye hwede Kennedy me coming kwa Kennedy akoko bi ansoso ne so. Yem pe good communicators. Niema Kennedy aye wo MPP mu. Wo ba ye ho na benefit sen no. Contrast ye dia ma no sika wanya nyina efiri Kennedy oba ye no ye ho na. Enso ne MPP adawment wa benye sika wasa sorry name waso ne ben MPP so. It's about time I say you good communicators are over market papa we boot to boot. Ne niema waye nyina ne niema boni ya waye nyina mo yem piling go ho. Or the bar near the man ka because or ka obi nkabinti no. Na he say or your gabi chese or you o tumi bi. Oni tumi bia. Who sika e you sika. Fa usika ko your business.
Yeah.
What you say? Ne jai MPP party asemuma yen. Na onye ni business. Also a businessman. Go and do your business and leave the party.
Yeah.
Na oma ya sumunju yen. Me sometimes na me wakwenye bia anka betimi hine papa we akasa pa wo ho anka sema meka kire no. Me nya sure say akobeba outcry because the new ade ma we the new ade oye bonsam. Ya nhwe yi a obesa the MPP akobak.
Yeah.
And it's about time I see a uni-free party. Now we preach about unity. Now, Papa, Uncle Penny Baby, how many votes look at?
Yo.
Sisi and the Niama way in now, Obia who say, on dream, Papa, and I said the Sebi, Mofan Chemi. Mitimus and Adriano, and Yajuma.
Yo, yeah, that's it.
Nadriano, I touch him into the maybe a spakia. Now I said, the Uncle Kebia, so coca. Only MPP free na no uncle journey NDC ni ehun se wa journey NDC anaso uncle tene party ni ehun se wa tene party now the onja MPP my na MPP mu and you are seeking for information, you get information, that you go and sell it to the opponent. And you know say ye papa every party ma or bet they get the informations be afina niema bi wo hono ma MPP ya ebe strong weapon ya hwe ya papa we obesa selling it out. Because Papa we wicked or selling a near underground, Emma NDC for. And before NDC for Babeka, say, no, never brain no more, so before Babeka. And Papa, Mummy and Shani, Madame Wasi, Charlie.
Thank you for coming through, my brother.
Yeah,
I appreciate. Yeah, Kobe, 4 minutes.
Yeah, the voice. Good evening. I think you've been doing one of the great jobs on this platform.
Thank
Charlie,
you.
I think Enumerate saying I'm disappointed, I'm hurt, and I think I expect more from our leadership. You know, NDC a party who are doing theatrics. Our government, our power has just been theatrics and gimmicks, and I see Ken playing that role for them. This is a time we were hitting hard, making sense to Ghanaians. Say NDC for Tramontro, and the next thing we see Kennedy coming out, and our MPP may go MPP his old tricks. You have contributed to the party, yes, I accept that. But even you, the same person, your flaws, some of your flaws, even sent us to opposition. Maybe he doesn't know. Some of us on grounds, some from Black not. Some of us from grounds. We know things that we heard. And I can't in some and Wahana can't mind Swahili, this and all that. We took it as part of it because Sebi, why you be a boy party neither. So at that time, we just had to defend you and go forward. But our party needs to revolve. Nobody is bigger than the party. Nobody. And it's about time our secretary, Justin Kodia, must know that. He must act. Nobody is better than the party. If Kennedy leaves, we will get 10 times more of Kennedy. If Kennedy leaves, people will know that, yes, our leaders are ready to work. If you are not able to put, or the National Executive Council is not able to call and put this money into order, because even time and Camino Betty Hon Ken, yeah, they back attacking NDC and try to put them on their toes. Now we need to be talking about Kennedy. We passed the internal staffs and now we are preparing works for 2028, and then Kennedy's matter spikes again. Who is he? He's just like you and I. Don't let anybody lie to you people. So advocating for the NPP. It's the same thing as what he has done for the NPP. This your time. You could have used to make millions for yourself, but you sacrificed that time. We've all sacrificed that time to make sure that the party comes to power again. Sebi, when you be your nempana phone be said you omumpo many be nirimo in your contract, they've all benefited. The youths that are following this man, I feel so sad for them. If you are following someone who is bitter, who is very bitter, then it's a shame. And they will bought the devil's advocate. Even me, I feel like it's a game. Oh, let Ghanaians feel like maybe I'm a Dogana for, and then you go and join the base and you think you win sympathy for the base. NPP is here to stay. And if things are even wrong in our party, we will fix it. We won't run away from it. Said one or the other, we've seen people that have benefited from our party. If you're in the street, but me area, he has benefited one way or the other. Our party's leaders need to call this man into order. ASAP. If they are really serious in reorganizing this party, they should call this man to order. Yeah, bre. Honestly, every day, he's always holding something on us. He's always holding something on us. Like Mahama just says, Ghanaians have short memory. Nyobe can call, then we know that, oh, okay, we're there now. We are ready to reorganize and revitalize ourselves for election 2028. Charlie, the voice. I think it's enough. I don't want to. I'm so emotional right now, and I don't want to go overboard.
I understand
So
you.
thank you very much, bro.
Thank you, Kobe, for coming through. Henrietta, 4 minutes. Good morning. Henrietta, but you are now muting.